Tayo ko na kasi ito naman picture mo. Picture mo.
Ayan.
Picture mo nga. Picture mo. Hindi mo din.
Video niyan.
Meron na?
Oo.
I-picture mo ha. Yung picture nga, yung studio.
Ayan o. Dami na.
Happy 10th year anniversary today. First and foremost, I want to thank God for blessing me with you. For 10 years, you have always been there, and not only for me, for your family, mine, for our friends, and most especially my family. Thank you, Dave, for everything. The sacrifices.
Ay, ito ngayon. Pwede naman eh.
Doon na. Nakawit na ako.
Madali